Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a clean and cook with me. I have a super easy one sheet pan meal, and you can really interchange it and do any kind of meat, vegetables, anything like that. Super easy and super delicious and actually really good for meal prep. And then I just have some things to do around the house. I have to clean up the kitchen. I have to clean up our homeschool area, which we do homeschool 4 days a week. So this is just the end of our wrapping up our school week. So I have to clean up all of that and organize our school area, which is our dining room. So we have nowhere to eat on Monday through Thursday, but we make do with it. And then just want to steam up the floors and just really get a good clean and start our next week off right. If you guys like this video, I would love for you to subscribe and comment down below and let me know how homeschooling, quarantine, all that fun stuff is going for you guys. Does anyone else love a perfectly cleaned and wiped out sink? It's one of my most favorite things to clean in the kitchen, and it's also my most annoying thing to clean in the kitchen because you use the sink constantly washing your hands, cooking, cleaning, and it just gets dirty and spots and wet and not as shiny and perfect. But I still like to do it and have it nice and clean for at least a few minutes. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe down all of our kitchen appliances, and I just use the Young Living Thieves Cleaner. It's, in my opinion, the best. I love it. It's all natural. However, since the coronavirus and since my husband is a first responder and I am taking care of the grocery shopping for the household, so I go out, I make sure I wipe down everything. I wipe down door handles with a Lysol wipe. I wipe down the counters each night with a Lysol wipe just to make sure we are keeping the virus out of the house, keeping the family safe and all of that. Typically, I don't use those. Not that I'm against it. I just personally don't really use it. But I'm definitely using it now to make sure we are killing all of the germs and keeping everyone safe and healthy. I got our steam mop off of Amazon. It's a Bissell steamer, and it is the best thing I've ever purchased from Amazon, hands down. It is awesome. It has a little detachment that you can get. Like, I'm scrubbing a little stain. There was some ice cream stuck on the floor from the night before that we didn't see. So I was going to detach it, but I didn't even need to. And my favorite thing about this steamer is it on the side of the pad at the bottom, it kind of goes up a little bit on the side, so it really gets into every single corner, and it gets even onto some of the molding on the floors as are on the walls as well. So for our dinner, I am just having some mini roasted potatoes. We're doing broccoli, carrots, and chicken, and we're just going to put everything on a baking sheet with some parchment paper and bake everything on 400 for about 35 to 45 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your veggies, depending on how everything cooks or how thick your chicken is. This is something that I like to make a lot. I like to do a lot of meal prep bowls for this, for the week with this, because you can do kind of anything. You can interchange any vegetables, you can do the meat. It stays really well in the fridge and it reheats really well. I'm not a big fan of leftovers or meal prepping per se. I like ingredient meal prepping, which is, having already cooked steamed broccoli in a bowl, having carrots in another bowl that's are cooked and seasoned and things like that. But I don't usually like everything all together. But this is the one that I love and is my go-to for, we do this at least once a week. Super yummy, healthy, and super easy to make.
Skids go, skids. Chocolate. Make a silly face. Come on, look at our silly face.
There you go.
So I'll do it first.
Okay, tell me, big boy.
First.
Awesome. See that white sugar?
This?
Nope.
This?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pour that in the mixer. Nope, just the whole bowl.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay. Oh,
A little more, sorry.
it's okay. It's okay. All right, Layton, see the brown sugar?
Can you put?
Yep.
I don't have much room.
Good job. Take the bowl.
Munch it. Make
Do the butter.
Can I do the eggs this time?
You this too, so you can each do one.
Oh. Yay! That's my bag. Like, yeah, let me go in. Yeah. Yeah.
Greasy. Thank you.
Good.
All right, now I'm going to take it over here and mix it.
Okay. Can you mix it with you? Can we each take? Hooray! It's a parade! 1 egg.
Crack it in the bowl.
Go where the crack is. Crack it in.
Good job.
Did you get a shell?
Nope, no shell. Okay, throw it right in the bowl. Layton, grab the other egg.
Bam! Boom, bam, boom, bam. Yeah. Get a boom, bam, bing, bing,
Whoa!
Yeah. You can go on the stool if you want.
Both of you do this.
I'll do this. We can both do it. I'll do it. You'll do it together.
All right, now Layton, hold on, listen. Layton, take one of those, lift your head. Take one of those and pour it in. Also, you take the other one.
Same time. Mama, come here.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this cook and clean with me. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know how your quarantine, homeschooling, how your situation is going at home. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching.